of all, it's an achievement for the DRDO and the Indian industry together. It has been designed by one of the labs of DRDO, ARDE Pune, and is being produced by Bharat Forge Limited Pune. It's a case of a full synergy between the development agency as well as the manufacturing agency, which has led to the success of this particular product. And it's an extremely proud moment for the country as well as for the DRDO.
So, tell us about this, the carbine. How useful, how significant is this for our forces?
Yeah. It's a very compact weapon with a range of 200 meters and a weight of about 3.3 kg. It has a very unique feature that it can fire both the NATO ammunition as well as the INSAS ammunition, making it one of its own class. It has been performance evaluated as per the international parameters, and it is therefore meeting the requirements of the world's best in its class weapon. So it's a very potent weapon system for the infantry soldiers.
So what's your view? It's your major boost to the Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign.
Oh yes, definitely. It's an indigenously designed product which has been manufactured by Indian industry and which is highly cost competitive. And it has also been performance evaluated in all the operating conditions as required by the Indian Armed Forces. And therefore, it is a major boost for the Atmanirbhar Bharat, and also that we are moving ahead in creating a complete ecosystem by which the indigenously designed systems will be can be manufactured by the Indian industry to the contemporary level of technologies.
So after if the tender gets signed, so how much time and how much quantity is being planned?
The total RFP quantity was of the order of about 4,25,000 numbers. However, it will be distributed between the two agencies or depending on the CNC as it goes along. So the total production time is of the order of about 9 to 10 years, in which the total quantity is to be supplied by the industry partners.
This weapon designed by me and my team is a very, very potential weapon. It's within a weight of 3.3 kg and a size of less than 800 mm. This weapon is very effective for 200 meters range and especially for close quarter battle operation, which is a very, very short length fight. It is a very, very effective weapon. The technologies wise, if I say, it is used the forged steel technologies, and one technology which is called metal injection molding that has been used pretty much in this weapon to enhance the reliability, and that's why this weapon emerged as a highly reliable, highly accurate weapon across all trials. And since this weapon is now being handed over to the user by the industry selected as Bharat Forge Limited, so definitely this will give a very high boost confidence to our soldiers. And as far as this is a 100% make in India weapon, it's it doesn't have any foreign element in this, so this will be game changer in this Atmanirbhar mission of Government of India, which will make our security forces self-sufficient, self-reliant. Tomorrow, in the case of more numbers required, spares issues which our forces are facing, this weapon, once inducted into the forces, will clear all those issues.
Sir, tell us about how dangerous this can be for the enemies. This weapon, if our forces uses it the battleground or maybe.
Since it is a very, very lethal weapon for a 200 meters close quarter battle operation, very accurate, very effective. So definitely the adversary forces must be under threat when our forces will be using this weapon, and especially since it's an indigenous self-reliant weapon. No no spare issues in future, so definitely this will boost our forces confidence.
Firing की गोलियों को जो बात होती है कि कितने फायर कर सकता है एक बार में?
This weapon is equipped with a 30 round magazine. So definitely the earlier weapon was having 20 round magazine of this class, so now this is 30 round magazine, and the rate of fire is pretty high, more than 600 rounds per minute. So it will create a heavy volume of fire in the operations.
सर, आपसे एक चीज और जानना चाहेंगे कि क्योंकि आप L1 है, तो बड़ी उपलब्धि है DRDO के लिए, ARD के लिए और आपके लिए भी?
Definitely, as a DRDO, we have proved that we can design an international class weapon, because this weapon was chosen among the 7 to 8 international class weapons. So we have proved our design capabilities, as well as our industry has also proved our manufacturing capabilities. So I would say it's a combination of both the things, design as well as manufacturing. So that is where the country is benefited.
Tell us about the tests and everything which was done.
This weapon was
How much
tested across all terrains, I mean from hot to cold, sub-zero temperatures. So after that it could qualify the trials, and then it has been recommended for induction into this our army. So definitely, and just after this you will see yourself the firing of the weapon, so you also will experience that how potent, how lethal, how effective this weapon is.